Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda. So if you have guys a Mazda such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 or CX-9 guys, and you have problems with your blower motor fan not working, this is guys the fan for the heater, for the AC, you know, when you turn it up to get more air out of the vent. But if the blower motor fan doesn't work guys, we'll show you how to replace it. Now we'll demonstrate on CX-7, but almost every Mazda guys will be that way. Not very complicated procedure at all. Stay with us, we'll cover all that today. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, let us know if you want to see any specific video and we'll try to do that for you. So let's start on it now. So we'll go ahead and show you guys, okay, what I'm talking about. Now, usually guys, your blower motor fan or blower motor is located guys on the passenger side, okay, and this is the motor that I'm talking about right here for that switch. And that motor usually guys, okay, is located under, okay, under the glove box somewhere. So I'll show you, okay, what we're looking at now. Right here you might have a cover. That cover guys, we'll need to pull it out. So how we do that, okay, we just grab it. Usually there is a couple clips, pull it out. Okay, this is the cover. In our case it has 1, 2, 3 clips on the front, and on the back there is one clip that goes there. So I'll get that thing out of here. Looking underneath now guys, okay, that guy right here, this is your blower motor right there. So we need to remove 3 screws now. Okay, one here. Okay, let me see now. Oh, yep, 3 of them. One over here, and one will be, should be towards the back side. Okay, somewhere. Yep, this one is a little bit hard to reach. There, on this side. So what I'll do now, okay, I'm going to remove each one of them. Okay, and those tend to be tight guys, so I'll remove it, and once I get them loose and get them out of the way, we'll continue. Okay, I got the screws loose, but before I continue I'm going to, okay, disconnect the cable actually. Okay, right here one of the screws fell out from the back side. Okay, that's what it looks like. I have just 2 more now holding here guys that I need to go ahead and remove. Just a little bit holding now. We'll probably have guys some leaves and stuff like that here. Why? Because if you didn't replace your cabin filter, or cabin filter is missing, okay, all that guys will be covered with leaves and stuff. Okay, and this one looks pretty clean. Okay, this is the blower motor fan. Now if you guys need to buy a replacement one, we have it guys on the channel. We have the links in the description of the video. Check it out where you can get one from for a really affordable price, and fast shipping as well. That's how you guys removing. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.